Okay. Good morning, children. So we have completed yesterday gear up in the companion. Now open your studio, children. Page number 39. So what is the third chapter name, children? World of Numbers. World of Numbers. So this is the third chapter name. See here, first activity is there. Ravi sold 99,999 tickets for a cricket match. So if he sold one more ticket, the total number of tickets sold will become dash. So Ravi sold how many tickets? 99,999 tickets. If he sold one more ticket, then how many tickets he sold? You have to find it. See here, children. 99999. So 99,999. So which place it is? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 place. Okay. If he sold 99,999, if he sold one more ticket, where you should add one more ticket? That at ones place. Okay, children. Now add 1 plus 9. How much? 10. Again 1 plus 9. 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 10. So read this one, children. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. After that, 10,000 after lakh. So how many tickets he sold total? 1 lakh. Okay, 1 lakh. So how many digits does this total have? How many digits counted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits. So you have to write in this blank 6. And here blank, first blank what you have to write? 1 lakh. You should write this number 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Okay. Now see here 99 plus 1. 99 plus 1. How much children? 100. Okay. Next 999. You should add 1. What will get? 1000. 999. If you add 1 will get 1000. Next 9,999. If you add 1, what will get children? 10,000. So if you add 1 to 99, you will get 100. If you add 1 to 999, you will get 1000. If you add 1 to 9,999, you will get 10,000. Okay, children? So fill in the blanks to extend the pattern. 99,999 plus 1. What will get answer? 99,999 plus 1. How much answer? 1 lakh. Write this number 1 lakh. 1 lakh. In this blank write 1 lakh. Okay. Next second one 9 lakh 99,999 plus 1. How much? If you add 99,999 to 1, we will get 1 lakh. If you add 1 to 9,99,999, what will get children? 10 lakhs. What is the answer? 10 lakhs. So what is the answer? 10 lakhs. How many digits do these numbers have, children? So for 1 lakh, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for 1 lakh, how many digits? 6. So you have to write here 6. And this one, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Second dash, you have to write 7. 6 and 7. Okay, children? Next, turn the page, children. Page number 40. A new period called the lax period. So what we get in new period? Lax period. If you add 1 to 99,999, we will get new period. What is that? Lax period. So this is 1 lakh, this is 10 lakhs. Okay. In the Indian system, we are having place values is there. No, what are the periods are there? First one is ones period, next thousands, and next lakhs. Now only we learn lakhs period. Okay. So in the ones period, what are the places in the ones period? We are having 3 places. What are those? Ones place, next tens place, next hundreds place. So 100, 10, 1. These are in ones period. In the ones period, we are having 3 places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Okay. Next, thousands period. In the thousands period, we are having 2 places. Thousands place, 10,000s place. Okay, children? In the thousands period, we are having 2 places. Thousands place and 10,000s place. And next, lakhs period. Lakhs, 10 lakhs. Lakhs and 10 lakhs. Okay? So, we are having 3 periods in the Indian system. After lakhs, we are having crores. Okay, we will learn next class. Okay, in the ones period, we are having 3 places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. In the thousands period, we are having 2 places. Thousands place, 10,000s place. Okay, next, in the lakhs period, lakhs place, 10 lakhs place. Okay, children? Like our school studies. See, pre-primary. In the pre-primary, how many classes are there, children? Nursery, PP1 and PP2 are there. Okay. Next, primary. In the primary, how many classes are there, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 classes are there in the primary. And next, we are going to high school. 6th to 10th classes. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 classes are there. Like that. Okay, children? Like that we are having periods are there. Ones period, thousands period, lakhs period. In the ones period, what are the places? Ones, tens, hundreds. In the thousands period, thousands, 10,000. In the lakhs period, we are having lakhs and 10 lakhs. Did you understand now? Next. 1 lakh is written as how? Like this, 1 lakh. Okay. And 10 lakh, how you can write? Like this we have to write 10 lakh. Okay. Answer the following questions using the place value chart in figure 1. How many 10,000 will make 1 lakh? How many 10,000 will make 1 lakh, children? See here, 10,000, how can you write this one? 10,000. Okay. So, how many we have to add here? We will get 1 lakh. If you multiple 10, if you multiple with 10, what will get? 0 will be added here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, here 5. So, 1 lakh will get. So, how many 10,000 will make 1 lakh, children? How many? 10,000s. 10,000 will make 1 lakh. So what is the answer here? Write here 10. First blank write all of you 10. Next, how many 1 lakh will make 10 lakh? How many 1 lakh? This 1 lakh will make into 10 lakh means if you multiple with 10, will get 10 lakh. So how many 1 lakh? 10, 1 lakh. So second dash also write 10. Second dash also write 10. So we get a new place by putting together 10 groups of the previous place. So we get a new place. See here, 1 lakh. If you multiple with 10, you will get new place value. What is the new place? 10 lakh place. Okay, children? See here, 10,000. If you multiple with 10, we will get another new place. What is that? Lakh place. Did you understand? So, ones period, in the ones period, see what are the places? Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, in the ones period, if you multiple with 10, we will get the new place. What is that? Tens place. Okay, if you multiple with 10 into 10, we will get the new place, hundreds place. Okay, like that, if you multiple with 100 into 10, we will get the new place, thousands. Okay, if you multiple with 10 with 1000, we will get new place, 10,000. Okay, if you multiple with 10 with 10,000, we will get new plus lakhs. If you multiple with 10 with lakhs, we will get the another new plus 10 lakhs. Did you understand now? If you multiple with 10 with a number, we will get the new place. We will get the new place value. Okay, children? So we use commas to separate the periods of lakhs, thousand and one in numbers. So in the numbers to separate, suppose see, largest number is given. How can you read this one? 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 1. Like that you have to read? No, we can't read like that. How can you read? Use to separate commas. Okay. So 1, 10, 100. These are ones period. So you should keep comma. Okay. Next, thousands. Thousands period. What are those thousands period? 1,000 and 10,000. So 1,000, 10,000. After you keep the comma. Okay. Next, lakhs. 10 lakhs. Now read this number, children. 34 lakhs 56,321. Is it right, children? We should keep the commas for the numbers. We will read the number easily. Okay, children? See here. Lakhs period, thousands period, ones period given. In the lakhs period, 10 lakhs, lakhs. Thousands period, 10,000, thousands. Ones period, 100, tens, ones. In the lakhs period, in the 10 lakhs place, what is the number? 2. In the lakhs plus 1. 10,000 plus 5, thousands plus 6. Hundreds plus 1, tens plus 6. Ones plus 7. Now read this number, children. 21 lakhs 56,167. Did you understand now? How can you write? Now turn the page. Page number 41. Next, to see the page number 41, children. Look at the digits written under each place. Write the number formed and then number name. One is done for you. So here period given. Lakhs period, thousands period, ones period. So in the ones period, what are the places? Ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands period, thousands, 10,000. Lakhs period, lakhs, 10 lakhs given. So here numbers also given. You should write numbers and write the number name also. Okay. First one already given, 58 lakhs 2,301. So write the number and also number name. Okay, children. Now second one, see. Second one. So 10 lakhs not given, lakhs given, 6. In the 10,000 place 3, in the thousands place 1, and in the hundreds place 8, tens place 5, ones place 9 given. Okay. Now what is the number? See, children, read this number. 6 is in lakhs place now. So 6 lakhs. 3 is in 10,000. That means 30,001. That is 31. 6 lakhs 31,859. Read again. 6 lakhs 31,859. Write this number. 6 lakhs 31,859. Okay, write that number. 6 lakhs 31,859. Now you should write the number name, children. Write the number name. Here I have no place, that's why I am writing here. You should write in the box. Here box given now. Number name you should write here. What is the spelling of 6, children? S-I-X. 6 lakhs. L-A-K-H-S. Lakhs. 31,000. THIRTY. 31. ONE. Thousand. How's that spelling? THOUSAN. Thousand. 6,31,800. EIGHT. 800. HUNDRED. 100. And and 59. 59. Spelling FIFTY. 59. NINE. 9. Sorry, 6,31,859. Okay, children? Right. Okay. Next, third one, see children. 2 is in 10 lakhs, 9 is in lakhs, 4 is in 10,000, 7 is in 1,000, 0 is in 100, 0 is in tens, 2 is in ones. So read this number children, 29 lakhs, 47,002. Okay. So 29 lakhs, 47,002. Write the number then 29 lakhs, 47,002. 40, all of you wrote wrong. 40 spelling is FORTY, not FOURTY. What is the spelling of 40? FORTY. This is the spelling of 40, not FOUR. Okay. Next. Read this number 14 lakhs, 17,556. 14 lakhs, 17,556. 14 lakhs, 17,556. Okay. Next, last number 4 lakhs, 89,000. Not there any ones period. All are zeros only. So how can you read 4 lakhs, 89,000? 4 lakhs, 89,000. Okay, children? Now today homework is companion page number 19. We have completed up to 18 pages now. Now see page number 19 in companion. Write the number names for the given numbers. Here numbers are given, you should write the number names. Okay children? That is the homework. Page number 19 in companion. So see children, 29 lakhs, 47,002. Okay, those who have finished once check the answers now. Your writing is right or wrong. 29 lakhs, 47,000 and 2. Okay, 29 lakhs, 47,002. Next, another number 14 lakhs, 17,556. So 14 lakhs, 17,000, 14 lakhs, 17,500. 500 and 56. 14 lakhs, 17,556. And next to last one, 4 lakhs, 89,000. 4 lakhs 89,000. Okay, check your answers.